Hey, it's Allison. Ever set up the perfect board only to worry about a teammate accidentally changing column information or deleting something critical? Don't worry. With board permissions, you can protect your workflow and control who has access to editing your boards. There are 3 types of boards on monday.com. Main boards that are open to everyone in your account, private boards which are only visible to invited members, and shareable boards, or working with guests like clients or freelancers. Each board type comes with a native set of permissions that lets you decide how much editing power your teammates should have. So identifying which board type works best for you is a good place to start. Board permissions let you decide how much control your team members have over your board. Only a board owner can change permission settings, so if you're not seeing that option, make sure that you are assigned as an owner on the board. To set permissions, click the 3-dot menu in the top right of your board, then choose Permissions. From there, you'll see several permission levels. The default setting is aptly named Edit Everything. From adding columns to editing groups and more, this setting allows collaboration on all aspects of your board. The second option permits users to edit all content, but prevents them from making changes to the structure of the board. Next, make it so non-owners can only edit items or sub-items that they are assigned to from the People column. And finally, restrict users to only being able to view board info and leave comments. Regardless of your selection, with an enterprise plan, you have options to customize the exact info you want teammates to have access to. So if you want to let Hannah edit everything except sub-items, all it takes is a few clicks. Or you can really make sure that Dan won't accidentally delete your video files. Again, pretty cool, right? Want to get more specific? Head into an individual column's permission settings to lock down info only for that column. This ensures that key data is protected, while still keeping everything relevant in one board. Permission settings don't just apply to boards. When you create a dashboard or work doc, you can choose to set it as main or private. But don't worry, just like board types, you can always change this later on. Click here to see the teammates who can currently view the dashboard or work doc, and change their ownership status as you see fit. And that's it. With board, column, and dashboard permissions, you can keep your workspace secure, streamlined, and tailored to your team's needs. Looking to tailor permissions on a higher level? Check out our account permissions video here. Or click our logo to see the dedicated Learn with Monday YouTube channel for more ways to get the most out of monday.com. Bye for now.